Hi there, my name's Dave Bensman and I am Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall a DVD-ROM drive from a computer. This is Rebecca and she's going to be helping me out. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get to work. Okay kid, right now we're going to open the case and we're going to begin removing the DVD-ROM drive that's in there, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so what I want you to do is I want you to take the side of the case off. You know how to do that. We did that in our previous video where we removed the hard drive. Well, wait, you got to do these screws first, right?
Oh.
So what Rebecca is doing is she's removing the two case screws on the side of the computer. They're right there. Well, we're going to go lefty-loosey. We're going to go the other way. There you go. Okay, so we're going to get those two case screws off and set those down there. There you go. And we're going to get that one off right there. And good. Now we're going to pull the side of the case off. Yeah, and give me that. There we go. Hang on. We're going to set that side of the case right there. Now we're right here inside the case, and you can see, point to the CD-ROM drive, the DVD-ROM drive, kid. Yes, it's this thing right here. That's the DVD-ROM drive. You can see right here, that's where it is inside the case, and we're going to be removing it. So can you see the two screws that are holding it in?
The gray ones?
Right there, exactly, Rebecca. You're going to remove those screws. Try and catch them so they don't fall inside the case. Yeah. Try and catch it. Yeah, there you go, and set it to the side. Now, in this particular case, if you'll notice right over here, Rebecca, come over here and take a look, kid. Do you see where there are no screws right here? They're just little kind of like rivets. Okay, that means you can't take this side of the case off. So what that means is very unlikely that there are screws on the other side of this drive that are holding it in. And right now, it's probably loose. And the way it probably comes out is by sliding that way. But right here, you've got this stopping it, right? So you've got to get that front of the case off. So how do we get that front of that case off? Do you know? What do you see right here holding it in? Yeah, so move those, and then with two hands, with the other hand, move this one.
At the same time?
Yeah, and then I'm going to help you out by moving this one.
Oh.
And wait a sec, what's going on down here? What's going on right down there? Yeah, and so that just basically hinges. Yeah, open it all the way up. Yeah, and you can set that down. Just set it right down. Yeah, there you go. So that's how the front of that particular case opens up. Now, every case is going to be different, but that's how that one opens up, and a lot of them do the same. Now, watch this. Jiggle the DVD-ROM drive. Move it in and out. No, the drive itself. Here, watch.
Oh, that.
See? See how it's loose? But wait. It's loose, but do you see the cables on the inside that are holding it in? You see those two cables? There's a power cable and there is a data cable on the inside that is holding it in. So yeah, so you want to disconnect those from the back of the drive.
How do I do that?
You're going to use two hands. Here, yeah, there you go. And you're just going to pull the cables out of the back of the drive.
As I can.
Well, yeah, there you go. There you go. Now slide the drive out of the front. And we have now successfully removed a DVD-ROM drive out of the case. Now, if this were a broken drive, we would be in good shape right now. We've removed, let's assume it's a broken drive. We'll pretend that anyway. And then what you would want to do is you'd want to get a known good working drive, maybe a new drive, and you'd want to slide it in. So let's pretend this drive now is a working drive, and let's put it back in the case. So just put it back in just the way it came out. Did it come out that way? There you go. Yes. Should gently slide in because it gently slid out. I think maybe, what do you think? What do you think the issue is there? No, 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 no. Did it come out smoothly?
Yeah.
So what do you think the issue might be?
Maybe I did it.
Maybe. And there you go. Okay.
Okay, but now this side is off.
Well,
This is confusing.
let's try and see if we can jiggle it in there. There we go. Okay. So you see right here? What do you see is going on right here?
That thing.
You see there's a little hole right there and a little hole? You just want to match them up. No, no, no. You want to match them up. They're matched up about right. Nope. They're matched up about right now. Right there. And then you want to... And then you want to take your little screws, not the case screws, but you want to take these guys and you want to put them back in where they were.
Where were they then?
Well, I think one was right there
And the other was here.
and one was right there. No, no, up a bit, up a bit. Up a bit. Yeah, there. Screw that guy back. Right there. Screw that guy back in there. Uh-huh. Well, in this case, we're putting it in, so what would it be?
Right.
Righty-tighty. Here, let me see if I can get this to focus. There we go. Then what are we doing? There we go. And get that, whoops, and get that in there nice and tight. Yeah. Whoop. You may want to hold the case with one hand and screw it in with the other.
Can you hold it and I...
Yeah, I'm holding it.
Wait, is it already? I think it's already...
Let's see here. Let me have this screwdriver. You hold the side of the case. It's not in quite as... there we go. You kind of want it to go in straight. Here, you hold the camera, point it at that screw, okay? All right, give me a little room. Give me a little room. There we go. All right. There we go. So you kind of want it to go in straight so it screws all the way in. Okay, great. Now, follow the camera over here. Look at the back of the drive. Come over here. And about right there. Okay, stay right there. All right. So what we need to do now is we need to screw these cables back into the back of the drive. This is the power cable. So we're going to put that in the back of the drive. It's only going to go in one way because you see it's got like a little L shape right there.
Yes.
And so we're going to plug that in like that. Then we're going to get the data cable. That's a SATA cable right there. We're going to plug that into the back of the drive just like that. Click. And then what do we need to do? What's the last thing we need to do?
We have to screw
The what?
this thing.
Yes, we need to do that. So how does that go on there? Do you see right here? You see right here there's a little hinge?
We unlocked that thing, so we have to put it back in.
Is that the way it goes in?
No.
Okay. So, whoa, 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 whoa. What did we do? How did we get it to go in there in the first place? Do you remember?
We clicked.
No, 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 no. No, no, no. Not like that. Hang on. Hang on. How does this come out?
You have to...
There we go. Now, how do you remember how we got this to come out?
You had to flick these thingies.
Yeah, but then what did we do?
You had to screw.
Did it go in flat or did it hinge out like that?
I don't...
It hinged out. So you see right here? You see right here the hinges? Point to the hinges.
Point the hinges. The hinges are here.
Yes, this is a hinge right here. And then that's a hinge, and then that's a hinge. So you want to put the hinges where the hinge holes are. Can you do that?
Okay.
Yeah, get those hinges to get in there. And then you kind of turn, you turn the case like that. And then it clicks in.
How do I? Yes.
Okay. You hold the camera, and I'll see if I can do it, okay?
I'm a great camera lady.
Back up a little bit so people can see. Okay, can you see me?
Yes, I can see.
All right, so what you do is you get this in here like this, see? And then it goes in like that.
Ooh.
Okay, now let's pop the side of the case on, and we can see right here, you can see the drive right in there. Let's get the side of the case back on.
Where is the side?
It's right there.
Did we just lose the side of it? There you are.
And let's pop it onto...
Can I just pop it on? Or
Yeah.
does it have to require...
You're gonna line it up. See, there's little holes on the side there, and you're gonna line it up, not quite like that. You're gonna line it up like that, and then slide it in. And then we can screw the side of the case on later.
Why do these have to? What does it
Huh?
How do these
Yeah, they go in just like that.
Oh, this is wrong.
Well, that might work. That might be harder to turn because it's a smaller screwdriver.
Lefty loosey. I mean, righty tighty.
Righty tighty, exactly. All right. Very good job, Rebecca.
Sometimes when I have to screw it in, I go left, and I'm just like, why isn't this thing screwing in?
I think everybody does that when they're first starting out. I do that sometimes. Okay. Well, you did a great job of putting that in. Do you have anything to say to the people at home?
Hi, people at home.
All right. Well, this has been David Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. And if so, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody has any need for in-home computer repair in the Memphis, Bartlett, Germantown, Midtown, Collierville, Cordova area, please call Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe. Wave to the people. There you go. Bye-bye.
Bye.